Claude integrations open up the opportunity to connect Claude to countless apps, allowing you to control them from within the Claude interface, build advanced automations, and talk to your data. Literally. Say you're in marketing and want to understand how your ad campaigns and landing pages are performing. You connect your data and ask Claude which campaigns perform best and which underperform. It loads and queries the data received through the connector, in this case, Coupler IO, and in no time it gives you an overview of what works and what doesn't, summarizing the key insights for your convenience. Let's dig deeper. I wonder, do campaigns with higher click-through rates also convert better? It's not a straightforward question, so a visualization may help to identify if there's a trend, or lack thereof. It seems there's no direct correlation between CTR and conversions in the provided dataset. Claude can also make forecasts and offer actionable advice on things like budget allocation. Here, it listed the campaigns to keep, reduce, and pause for the time being. Curious about why it picked one over another or simply disagree with some logic, ask it for clarification or reconsideration. If it's wrong, it will update the chart in no time. Note here, Claude, like any other LLM, makes mistakes. Don't treat it as a definitive source of truth. If some numbers seem implausible, ask it to double-check or provide you with the raw data it used for its calculations, especially with more complex datasets. LLMs tend to fail more often, misinterpreting columns or the type of data they're dealing with. They're usually right, but it's wise to always stay on the safe side and monitor their actions. I gave Claude access to my Google Ads and GA4 data so I can ask questions about both data sources. For example, I want to know whether a particular ad campaign affected landing page performance. It doesn't hallucinate immediately. Instead, it quickly admits it can't find a direct link between the two datasets, but decides to proceed with a more indirect approach. After some consideration, it gives its verdict and explains its reasoning. Let's continue and have it create strategies for both ads and landing pages that align with our goals. And here's your action plan. Whether it's a good one or not is for you to decide, but rest assured that Claude, unlike many human stakeholders, won't mind if you tell it it's complete nonsense and that it should start over. Finally, I'll ask the LLM to build a comprehensive, shareable dashboard for my marketing efforts. It may take some time to write the underlying code, and at times it may encounter errors. There's nothing easier than just asking it to fix it and rebuild the dashboard. And here it is. Now, if you want to share it with the team, click the Share button in the top right corner and copy the link. As for the setup, Claude, in this example, uses Coupler IO, a platform that lets you pull data from hundreds of apps, transform it, and load it into a destination of your choice, be it LLMs, spreadsheets, BI tools, and more. You can fetch raw data or use pre-built datasets, many of which are available for popular apps like Google Ads. Say we want a campaign overview. You'll need to connect your account. Choose one or more ad accounts, and you'll quickly see a preview of your data. At this stage, you can, for example, apply filters to provide Claude with a more focused dataset to analyze. Then choose Claude from the list of integrations and pick the view you want to send. A monthly performance overview will suffice. Also enable a refresh schedule so that Claude always works with the freshest data. And as for the GA4 source I also provided to Claude, you'll need to add it as a separate data flow. Thankfully, the process is nearly identical. Pick the template that works for you. Connect your account and choose an analytical property. And then send it to Claude the same way. No need to authenticate with an access token again. You're all set up. And that's it. Now you know how to use Claude connectors to talk to your data. But if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.